Hello, happy and smart developers. Welcome to the coding board. This is session 12 of C programming language. Today we are going to learn what is variable declaration. In session 10 we have learned what is variable and now we are learning variable declaration. Let's understand with syntax. Int a semicolon. This is variable declaration. Here a is a variable of integer data type. We have not assigned any value. Now, what is variable initialization? When we assign value for any variable for first time, then it is called as variable initialization. Now, what is assigning value to a variable? When we provide another value to a variable, then it is called as assigning a new value to variable. How to declare constant? To declare constant, we need to make use of keyword constant. We will see all these things practically. Let's move on. Now let's understand variable declaration, variable initialization and assigning value to variable practically. For that I will write one program hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h. Now void main, then opening curly braces, here int a semicolon. Here I have declared variable a of integer data type. Variable declaration. This is comment part which will not execute when I execute the code. Okay. Now I am assigning value to variable a for first time, that is value 10 assigned to a, as I am assigning value 10 to variable a for first time, hence this is variable initialization. Variable initialization. Now let's check my value 10 is stored in variable a or not, that is variable a is initialized or not. For that I will write one print statement. Here my message value of variable a is comma, here format specifier a and here semicolon. Now end of the block. I will have to save this program. Function f2, function f2. Now I will have to compile this code. Function alt f9. There is one error. What is that error? Okay, I have missed semicolon here. Now again I am saving my code. Function f2, code is saved. Let's compile it. Function alt f9, no warning, no error. Now function control f9 to get the output, but to erase previous program output I will have to make use of clr scr function. Before executing the code and to hold output on my screen, I will have to make use of getch function, so that if I use getch function, then I will not have to use function alt f5 to hold output on my output window. Now I will save the code once again. I will compile the code. No warning, no error message. Now I will run the program. Here it is, value of variable a is 10. So initialization is done and now my variable a is holding value 10. Now what I will do, I will assign another value to same variable a, that is a is equals to 550. Okay, so here I am assigning new value to variable a. So this is second time I am assigning value to variable a, so this will be variable is getting assigned value, assigning new value to variable a. Here it is, and to check whether my new value is assigned to variable a or not, I will have to make use of printf function for our understanding purpose. New value assigned to variable a is, here format specifier %d variable a and end of the printf statement. Now let's check function f2 to save the program. Now I will compile the code, function alt F9, no warning, no error message, and now using function control F9 I will run the code. So value of variable a is 10. First time value of variable a is 10. Then new value assigned to variable is 550. But both lines are joined. I don't want both print statements in same line. For that I will have to make use of special character, that is /n. What /n will do? /n will separate one line from another line. Let's check. Again I am saving the code, function f2, function alt F9 for compilation, and function control F9 to check the output. Now both printf statements are printing their content in separate line. So first, when I had assigned value 10, that time variable a was holding value 10. Then next time I assigned new value, that is 550. So new value assigned to variable a is 550. In this way we have learned what is variable declaration, what is variable initialization, and what is assigning value to variable. Okay, that's it in this session. Let's meet in another session. Thank you.